The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. All one-level estate, sitting on 8 prime acres in the Branson School District, is a must-see. This home boasts the best open floor plan on the market. Home has been recently updated with wood floors and new paint that complements the red oak trim and doors. Home includes a media room, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, huge master suite with a safe room and the closet complete with concrete walls and steel-reinforced concrete roof, an upscale kitchen with cherry cabinets, granite counters and stainless steel appliances, impressive 20 by 40 in-ground pool with pool house, deck and fenced area, an attached 2-car garage that is insulated and sheet-rocked, and even better yet a detached 1,296 square feet, 3.5-car garage that has a studio apartment with its own bath. Superb location right of Highway 65, within minutes of Branson.